Today we discuss about how to get a loan approved loan for our home. The VA loan process has 5 key steps: pre-approval, the home search, getting under contract, underwriting, and closing. For veteran and military home buyers, this journey does not look much different than the process for other types of home loan. The big difference comes in more when you look at the advantages versus loan offers. From $0 down payment and no mortgage insurance to flexible credit guidelines and the industry lowest average interest rate. Let's take a deeper dive into a VA loan process, starting with the first and arguably most critical step: getting approved. VA loan pre-approval. Getting approved for a VA loan is a foundational first step. Loan pre-approval is important on a couple major fronts. One, pre-approval gives returns and military buyers a clear sense of their purchasing power. Two, it shows home seller and their real estate agents that you are a serious buyer who can make a strong offer and get to close table. In today's real estate environment, home sellers expect to see offers from pre-approved buyers. Some might not even consider for purchase offer without a copy of your pre-approval letter. So what does it take to get approved? Typically, lender will start by asking about your home buying goals, your military service, and your employment history before getting your permission for a hard credit inquiry. Credit score outcome for VA loan can vary by lender, but 620 FICO score is common minimum. Prospective buyers you meet a lender's credit score benchmark will then need to provide document to verify key information. Document request can differ depending on the nature of your income, your military service history, and more. Documents you need to provide during VA loan pre-approval include a copy of your driving license or other government identification, a copy of your DD 214 or Reserve Guard point statements, a statement of service for active duty borrowers, recent pay stubs and W2S for last 2 years, recent bank statement, disability award letters. Talk with your loan offer if you have question about documentation need. The faster you get this paperwork back to the lender and faster they can move to verify information and finalize your loan pre-approval. The loan officer will be over your paperwork, double check your income and other key details to verify your purchasing power and make a determination about whether you are ready to move forward. The loan pre-approval process builds toward an important final step: generating a pre-approval letter. If everything checks out, the lender will issue a pre-approval letter. They are not guaranteed to financing and they typically come with a host of conditions that need to be met. But they are powerful tools that give our borrowers a clear sense of their purchasing power. They also show real estate agent and home seller that you are strong to serious buyer. In fact, some listing agents and seller only accept offer from pre-approved buyer. That letter gives an confidence you will follow through on the offer and make it to be closing date. See what you qualify for. Answer a few questions below to speak with a specialist today about what your military service has earned you. Army, Marine Corps, Navy, Air Force, Coast Guard, military exposure, other eligibility or non-military experience. Step 2. The house hunt. With the pre-approval letter in hand, you are ready to start most exciting stage of VA purchasing process, the house hunt. Finding a real estate agent who truly knows VA loan is critical. These are more specialized home loan options and some properties can be better fit for VA loan than other plus. VA loan also offer big time advantages when it comes to things like closing cost and return friendly agent can help buyers get the most from their benefit. Veterinars United works for connect buyers with VA savvy agents through Veterinars United Realty, our national network of agents who understand to needs buyer of military. VA buyers can use their home loan benefit to purchase existing single family homes, new constructions, condos, manufactured or modular housing, multi-unit properties. Like the other government-backed mortgage options, VA loans are to purchasing primary residence you intend to live in full-time. Veterinars can look at buy multi-unit property up for fourplex as long as they intend to live in one of the units. Homes generally need to be good shape. The VA appraisal process includes a look at home in light of some board property conditions requirement known as minimum property requirement. This is high level look at home and not in depth as a home inspection. Its appraisal note MPR issues they may need to be addressed before a loan can close. VA buyers can ask seller to pay for repairs and even cover the cost themselves if needed. Purchasing a fixer-upper are possible with a VA loan, but they can present challenges for the VA appraisal process staff with a loan specialist in more detail if you are looking for that type of property. Once you find a home that you love, the next step is making an offer to buy it. Step 3. Getting under contract. Your loan officer and a trusted real estate agent can help you to craft your strong offer. Your agent will look at recent comparable home sales in the area to help shape your starting point for a purchasing pricing and negotiation strategies can vary depending on the real estate market, the particular home, and much more. Veterinarians should talk with their loan officer and agent about closing cost before making an offer via loan. Closing cost can vary depending on a host of offer factors. Buyers can ask sellers to pay all their loan related closing cost and up to 4% concession which can escrow expenses and much more. Most prospective buyers will present a contract with several provisions that cover certain events leading up to the loan closing. Common cover things like the right and have a home inspection and how to handle repair requests, how many days the buyer has secure financing, how much nearest money will be deposited, and more. Step 4. The VA loan underwriting. Step 5. Your VA loan is closing.